This is our story of the strawberry life cycle. Once upon a time, there was a tiny yellowish brownish seed that lived in the soil of the big and colorful, beautiful farm.
This little seed found himself a nice warm home in the soil. To his surprise, he heard the soil say,
Soya tierra. I am the home for many, many seeds. I am brown and I am soft.
The little seed looked around, and he was very comfortable in his new home. He started to think, I sure am hungry. I need some food to help me grow.
We will give you sunlight and rain. We are your food. I am the air from the sky. I could help you grow.
As the little seed began to take in water, sunlight, and air, something wonderful began to grow from him. Into the warm brown soil, strong roots began to form.
I'm spreading. I am the roots. I'm growing. I am the roots. I move like a dolphin in the soil.
Little seed continued to grow, and soon enough it broke through the soil and turned into a seedling.
I get air and I am growing. Open my eyes, I see the sun.
The sun is hot.
But this little seed didn't stop there. Soon the little seedling grew a strong stem to support the plant it was becoming.
I carry nutrients to the leaves. I am strong and full of water. I am the stem.
Now the seedling was a beautiful plant. To his surprise, 2 big leaves grew from his stem. These leaves collected the light energy from the sun to turn it into food for the plant. He was so happy. He heard his leaves say,
I live on a stem and I am green. I am blowing in the wind and it feels so cold on me. I am calm and I am sleeping. I am a leaf.
Soon something very delicate and very important began to form on the little plant. A tiny flower was blooming at the top of the stem. It would help the plant produce more plants and provide food for insects.
Pétalos y suaves y blancos. Stem hold me up and I sleep straight and light. And bloom into a beautiful flower. I have pollen and nectar in me. Most important of all, I live outside where the sun, rain, and air feed me.
Soon the plant heard something buzzing around him. He knew who it was. It was his friend the bee. Bees, butterflies, and moths are all pollinators that use his flowers to eat and transfer pollen to other plants.
Oh, look at me. I'm a bee. I pollinate flowers because it's my job. I collect pollen as I fly from flower to flower and spread it as I fly. And it helps create more flowers and fruit. I am yellow pollen. I sit still on the pistil. I get carried around by bees, bats, butterflies, and hummingbirds. I love pollination. After the flower blossoms, the petals have to be sad so a new strawberry fruit can grow.
the beautiful flower began to die, something started to grow in its place. A delicious and nutritious fruit.
It can change color from yellow, green, white, then red.
I am tasty, juicy, and sweet as can be. I have tiny seeds on the outside of my skin. Some of my seeds are dry and can be planted for more strawberries.
And that was the end of our story of the little plant who started as a seed and grew into a beautiful strawberry plant. Plants need to do a lot of work to grow, and they help us by giving us food to eat and air to breathe. So next time you see a plant, thank them for everything they give to us. Bye, everyone!
The end.